Hello everyone, I'm your host Anirban. I welcome you all on board and I wish you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. The morning is rainy on the very first day of the year. Visibility is also reduced, so all eyes forward. Today, I'm going to show you the engine room and a few important equipments inside the engine room among many more. So let's go to the engine room. Now, unlike most of the other ships, LNG ships uses different kinds of engines for propulsion. They may be conventional two-stroke engines or may be steam turbines or XDF or DFDE type engines. Now, this vessel has DFDE, which means dual fuel diesel electric engine. It can run on both marine diesel and natural gas. And gas as fuel makes it more efficient and eco-friendly as it does not emit any sulfur dioxide or nitrogen oxide. These are two large electric motors. These make the propeller shaft rotate. On board, we do not have any separate main engine. There are total 4 generators on board and they produces electricity and the energy is transferred to the propulsion motors. And inside the steering gear room, there are many other equipments such as our hydraulic motors for aft mooring station, our spare ropes, fire extinguishers, and many more. This is Propulsion Transformer room. Now each transformer has capacity of 7080 kVA. These are the propulsion transformers. There are 4 of them. This is the IGG. Iner Gas Generator. Now, inert gas system is very important in all tanker ships. Our inert gas generator can produce inert gas with less than 2% of O2 content. IG is required for gas freeing and inerting of the tanks. And these are two air compressors supplies air to the IGG. And these two compressors are for air starting the generators. We need compressed air since these generator engines are compression ignition engines. Well everyone, that was all for today. I hope you enjoy my videos. If you really like them, please do share, subscribe and like. And please put up some comments like what you like or disliked about this video. Your comments means a lot to me. Till then, goodbye.